Beneath our feet, hidden in the shadows of towering trees and scattered across meadows, lies one of nature's most fascinating and mysterious organisms, mushrooms. Often mistaken for plants, mushrooms belong to an entirely different kingdom, fungi. They are the silent recyclers of our planet, breaking down organic matter and sustaining ecosystems in ways we are only beginning to understand. From the delicate, edible varieties to the lethal and bizarre, mushrooms have captivated scientists, chefs, and adventurers for centuries. But their true significance goes beyond their appearance on our dinner plates or their role in folklore. Unlike plants, mushrooms do not photosynthesize. Instead, they obtain nutrients by decomposing organic material or forming symbiotic relationships with other organisms. The mushroom itself is just the fruiting body, the visible part above ground. But below the surface lies an intricate web of mycelium, a vast network of thread-like cells that can stretch for miles. This underground network acts as nature's internet, transferring nutrients, information, and even warnings between trees and plants. Scientists call it the Wood Wide Web, a crucial system for forest health and survival. There are over 14,000 known species of mushrooms, and new ones are discovered every year. Some, like the fly agaric, have inspired fairy tales, while others, such as cordyceps, have terrifying parasitic abilities, turning insects into hosts for their spores. Then there are the mushrooms that hold the potential to alter our minds. Psilocybin, the active compound in certain fungi, has been used for centuries in spiritual and medicinal practices. Today, researchers are studying its effects on mental health, with promising results for treating depression and anxiety. Mushrooms have played a significant role in human culture for thousands of years. Ancient civilizations, from the Aztecs to the Egyptians, revered them for their supposed divine properties. In Asia, reishi and shiitake mushrooms have long been valued for their medicinal benefits. Today, mushrooms are a culinary delicacy, prized for their umami-rich flavors. Truffles, one of the most expensive foods in the world, are actually fungi growing underground, detected only by trained dogs and pigs. The potential of mushrooms extends far beyond food. Scientists are exploring fungal-based materials for sustainable packaging, replacing plastics with biodegradable mycelium products. In medicine, certain fungi have been found to produce antibiotics, including penicillin, one of the greatest medical discoveries of all time. Mushrooms also have the power to heal our planet. Some species can break down toxic waste, absorbing pollutants like oil and heavy metals, a process known as mycoremediation. As we continue to uncover the secrets of fungi, one thing is clear. Mushrooms are far more than just food. They are nature's recyclers, connectors, healers, and possibly even the key to a more sustainable future. In the words of Paul Stamets, mycelium is Earth's natural internet. It is a neural network of nature. Perhaps in understanding mushrooms, we will better understand the world itself.